A few days ago, I broke the end of a nozzle off inside of my hot end, and so I have to replace the entire hot end. I decided to reuse the heating element just to save some time replacing it. I'm going to use the new thermistor though, just to be as accurate as possible with the temperatures. You can throw that out. Here I added some connectors and it took a few tries. Ended up having to heat the solder quick joint thing before I put it on the connector. After carefully melting the splice joints, I connected the connector to the connector and then attached the hot end. Sometimes the fan that I had on there that was just open would get little bits of plastic from stringings that would fly up and get stuck in it. So I found these fan grits on Thingiverse.